Hello students, today we are going to start standard 7th subject maths chapter number 12 perimeter and area. So now in this practice set 44 we will face these two formulas. First formula is perimeter of square 4 multiplied by side, or you can write 4a. Next, perimeter of rectangle 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, or you can write 2 bracket length plus breadth. So perimeter of circle, just for your knowledge I have given this formula, that is 2 pi r. Now let's shift to practice set 44. As you can see textbook page number 80, the first sum, if the length and breadth of a rectangle are doubled, how many times the perimeter of the old rectangle will that of the new rectangle be? So now you just have to double the formula and write. So let's see here the original formula of rectangle. As you know, that is perimeter of rectangle is 2 bracket length plus breadth, or you can write P. So as we know the original rectangle, that is a P, they have already given it. Now let's take the double, that means twice. So we indicate P1 2 and we just do the double of length. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. Now this as it is 2 and this in the bracket I will take common. So 2 length plus breadth. Now as this formula indicates perimeter of rectangle, which we have already seen, that is a P. Okay. So P1 equal to 2 times perimeter of rectangle, we find it. So therefore write here, the perimeter of new rectangle is twice the perimeter of the original rectangle. Same way, let's see the second sum. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times the perimeter of the first square will that of the new square be? So you just have to do the triple now, and the formula is changed. Instead of perimeter of rectangle, here perimeter of square we will see. So let's see solution. Original formula, perimeter of square 4 multiplied by side, or you can use 4 multiplied by a, or that means 4a. So when you will do the triple of this formula, it will become P1. So 4 multiplied by side multiplied by side multiplied by side, or you can write 4 multiplied by 3a. So as you know that at last we have to bring the same that formula. So adjust in this way that in last 4a should come. So 4 and here a. What remains? 3. So 3 I have put here. So now same way P1 equal to 3 multiplied by P. So we have proved, students, that perimeter of square is 3 times we have seen. So let's write the therefore. The perimeter of the new square is 3 times the perimeter of the original square. Now let's see the third sum. Given alongside is a diagram of the playground. It shows the length of its side. Find the perimeter of the playground. So one playground is there. In this you have to find length and breadth. So let's do it. So as you can see here, already they have given you the picture. So here they have given you the sides and you have to find the whole area of this figure. So let's find out. So with the help of diagram, let's see. You have to take imaginary alphabets or variables A, B, C, D, E, F. In this way you have to name it. And AB is 10, BC is 15, CD is 5 meter, and DE is 15 meter. Only this much they have given you. So let's write the perimeter of figure, we will say, equal to AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus AF. So in this way you have to take all the sides. Now let's put the value. So AB is 10, BC is 15, CD is 5 and DE is 15, and EF. Do you know EF? No. Just see, AB is 10 and CD is 5. So you just have to do the plus of this 2. You will get 15. So that's why I have written here 15. Now let's see the next one, that is FA. FA is not given. You have to write. So BC is 15 and DE is 15. So 15 plus 15, 30. So that means AF is 30. Now let's total all the sides. You will get 90 meter. So therefore perimeter of playground is 90 meter. Now let's see the last question, fourth question. As shown in the figure, 4 napkins, all of this same size, were made from a square piece of a cloth of a length 1 meter. What length of lace will be required to trim all 4 sides of all the napkins? So as you know, napkin has a square shape. So you have to apply lace on 4 sides. So let's see how many lace we need. So first of all, we will draw a diagram, that is a 1 meter, and this another box is half meter. Half and half becomes 1 meter, as you already know. So let's write the solution. The side of the square shaped cloth is 1 meter. So the side of new square shaped cloth is half meter. Now the perimeter of one square shape of napkin will be 4A we will do, because square shape is there. So which formula we use? Perimeter of square, that is 4 multiplied by A. So we will write 4. As you know, here 4 and A, the value is half. So when you will cut this 2 2s are 4. So what remains? 2 1s are 2. So answer is 2 meter. Perimeter of 4 square shaped napkin will be 4 multiplied by 2, 4 2s are 8 meter. Therefore, total length of the required lace is 8 meter. So how much lace is required? 8 meter. So in this way we complete this practice set. Thank you, students.